In this video, we'll learn how to add a glossary module to our course. We'll add this module above the first topic so that it always appears at the top of the page. To add the module, click on Add an Activity or Resource, click on Glossary, and click Add. We can give the glossary a name, and we can select what type of glossary this will be. Most of the settings for the glossary module are identical to any other module that we've added, with the exception of the entry settings. The Approved by Default setting will set whether we would like entries made by students to be automatically approved, or if you would like to have a teacher approve entries before they are shown to other students. Under Always Allow Editing, we'll set it to Yes so that students can edit their entries at any time, and we won't allow duplicate entries. We will allow students to add comments on entries so that they can give feedback. And this final setting is what makes the glossary module extremely useful in any course. This setting will find words from the glossary throughout your course and link them to the glossary. Once we're done, we can click Save and Display to view the glossary module. To add a new entry, click on the Add a New Entry button. For this entry, I'll be given the definition of a proton. We can also add keywords or attachments. Under Auto Linking, we can check this box so that anytime the word proton appears in our course, it'll be linked to the glossary item. Once we're done, click Save Changes, and we can view our new glossary entry. As a teacher, we're given the ability to unapprove this glossary entry, to delete it, or to edit it. And finally, let's take a look at what would happen if we used the word proton in any of our activities. I'll head back to the course, and I'll use the page Activity 1 for this example. We can click on this gear icon and then click on Edit Settings to edit the contents of this page. In the page content section, I'll just add in the word proton anywhere in between all of this text. Next, just hit Save and Display. Moodle has automatically linked the word proton to our glossary entry. If we hover over it, there's a little question mark that appears next to the cursor, and if we click on it, we'll get a small pop-up letting us know what the word proton means.